Let's talk about cognitive dissonance in project planning at SpaceX. SpaceX is building new facilities in Boca Chica. SpaceX is talking about dozens of launches per year, not at Boca Chica, but at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. SpaceX is building a factory to make a large number of Starship rockets in Boca Chica. Starship will need at least 15 launches closely spaced to take one Starship out of Earth orbit. The problem is none of the numbers for launches add up if they expect Starship to go beyond Earth orbit in the foreseeable future. SpaceX is talking about making Starship larger, but one of the main problems of Starship is that it is not meeting payload specifications. Making it larger makes it heavier. Unless you can wave a magic wand and make the rocket engines more powerful and more efficient, that literally is not going to fly. Why are all of these self-inconsistent, contradictory things happening? It's because SpaceX and Elon Musk are not good at planning. They think they're very good at planning. They think they've got brilliant ideas about what they can do, but without designing, testing, and proving those ideas, mostly in sequence, what you get is a pileup of problems without solutions and uncertainty about when those solutions will arrive. Projects like this seem to periodically enter a manic phase where they spend money on things they will need later on, assuming that everything will go well to take them to where they need that future thing. And when it doesn't happen, you get a stranded asset. It's that mix of iteration with hard dependencies that stretch far into the future that makes it look like a project is denying its current problems while splashing out money for future requirements. In the case of SpaceX, there's a specific cause for this cognitive dissonance in project management. His name is Elon Musk. He styles himself as a visionary. Starship is his vision. He believes he can will things into existence, and you can see evidence for that delusion across projects like Starship, Cybertruck, and full self-driving. Don't be like Elon. Make careful plans. Be guided by what careful project planning says about the amount of work and the dependencies between that work that determine the fastest path to completion. You'll save a lot of money and you'll have a lot more success that way.